Hello, welcome to another EagleSix Airsoft video. We're going to be testing this Samarium SD6. These are obviously new in, and they are beautiful. They are probably the best Airsoft replica I've just ever had the pleasure of handling. They are just, the build construction, they're so solid. They're just exceptional replicas, and I hope every airsofter out there gets to experience these. You know, you've been mistaken thinking this is a gas blowback, but it is not. This is an AEG with gas blowback levels of quality. It's just I love them. Yeah, so with this particular one's had some upgrades done on it. We've done the Samarium Cobalt motor. We've got the Prometheus hard gears, Prometheus 6mm bearings. We've got the Prometheus type ball barrel, the Firefly hop rubber, the AEP version. And obviously the barrel in this is the specific one for this gun, which is obviously AEP on the end of it. So it's like a giant AEP barrel. We've got the Prometheus Flat Nub. We've got the Dean's connector, just to convert over to Dean's. And I think we've done EagleSix M100 spring with one PowerSpacer, and we've done it to the customer's FPS requirements. So yeah, we're obviously just sort of ready to demonstrate now. So yeah, so just something to bear in mind. Obviously, we've been fitting the 1600 flat stick batteries in here just fine. You would create more space by converting over to MR30 on your batteries, but it still will fit with the Dean's connector converted adapter. Just to bear in mind, obviously, that if you do trap any cables while putting this on, then you potentially can create a short circuit, which potentially can damage this gun. So people still need to be and have common sense about these guns. They have no tolerance for people being people, yeah, and customers. So no tolerance of error, shall we say. You know, just be careful with them, treat them with respect, and I've had no issues with them, you know, in terms of just my use of them. Like I say, there is we'll just demonstrate it now, if you know what I mean. That's pretty much where we're sort of at with these. I mean, we've been getting on absolutely great with them. Absolutely love the build quality, and we'll just demonstrate it working now. So obviously they come with single shot, and then burst, and then full auto, and it's absolutely lovely fire selector on this. So it's just so different than the original AEG that you know, that they made. So it's just it's absolute so far from that original gun they made, what, 29 years ago. So yeah, crazy. There you go. So all tested, working. We hope you enjoy. Obviously, this replica. It's fantastic. We've got quite a lot to build this week, so there's going to be plenty of these MP5 videos popping up. So, well, we hope you enjoy. Thank you.